Jess, no!
Woo!
I did it, guys!
Holy fucking Siamese eye.
Really now? Really? Is that fucking funny?
Hey, Erica, let's go skinny dipping so I can get a boner.
Okay. Just talking about it gives me a boner. We didn't find those hot guys.
Yeah. Poor us.
At least we got to watch them.
Boobs. Boobs.
Hey, perfect storage area.
Hey! No hands. Well, I wonder where they are.
Not down your shirt or anything. Hey, let's go to the Ghetto Beach, guys.
Okay.
Hold it. Oh no, come back.
Baby, come back.
It's a little.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Oh, Jess, I'm gonna cry. I'm not even joking. That's so sad. Huh? You have to go down that way so you don't fall.
That way I can.
No, you'll fall.
I'm gonna take you to safety.
I'll have to put her in your bag so she won't jump out.
Oh, she's
What do we
meowing.
have?
Oh.
I'll like tease her with $1.
Come here.
Oh my god, this is so sad. Here, hold the cat now. I have the cat. I smell like a cat, okay? I will be able to get it. Smells like cat.
Oh.
This is so depressing. I wish I had. Where is it? In there. Here, hold it. Let's go over there and get down. You stay here so I can get down there and then tell me if she leaves. Okay. What is that poor thing? Jess, get the camera. I'm going to try to better. You can see it from over here. Right there. I can't see it anywhere. I'm right here. Hold my purse. Take the camera, I'll go in. But she might bite me. Down the other side. There's no way she can get out on the other side.
Don't do that.
This isn't coming. Well, she would go out that way. You can get it.
Why you grab the stick?
Where's she at?